5:30 effects from the river flooding continue to plague farmlands all across the natural state. We're taking a closer look this evening at what those record levels of water left behind in Faulkner County. Fox 16's Tyler Thomason joining us after speaking to a lifelong farmer who says he's never seen anything like this. Tyler.
Yeah, Kevin, Gary Patton has about 300 acres of farmland in Wooster. Much of it was covered in water just a few weeks ago. As the water has now receded, it's all mud, sand, and debris. Patton tends to a few hundred cows, which he says have been forced to cram together on about 40 acres. Those 40 acres are what's left and that still have grass on it. This has forced him to resort to feeding the cows during a time of the year when they would normally graze on their own.
Well, it's probably cost me about $200 a day to feed. You know, and you're talking about 30 days, there's another $6,000, and then you hadn't got the hay put up. In fact, right here on this feed trough that I'm sitting on, it was underwater.
Patton tells me his land needs weather that will help dry it up and then a good rain after that to start the regrowth process. He tells me he does not have it quite as bad as other farmers do in the area. In addition to feeding his cows, he plans to spend the next few weeks clearing some of that debris and hoping floodwaters continue to recede. Back to you.
Yeah, sure, he's not the only farmer. All right, thanks, Tyler.